Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the first chapter of Class 7 English textbook, and the name of the chapter is Three Questions. This is a short story which has been written by one of the great Russian writers, Leo Tolstoy. Leo Tolstoy was a noted philosopher and novelist as well. Now come to the chapter. Student, this chapter has been divided into two parts. So let's begin with the first part. As it appears from the name of the chapter, Three Questions, the whole story revolves around the three questions. There was a king who thought one day that if I knew the answer of three questions, then I would never fail in my life. What were the questions? The first question was, what is the right time to begin something? The second question was, which people should he listen to? And the third question was, what is the most important thing for him to do? So, to get the answer of these questions, the king sent out his messengers throughout his kingdom and proclaimed that the people who would answer these questions will be rewarded. Many wise men came to the king's court to give answers, and in reply to the first question, a student, you have to recall the first question. The first question is, what is the right time to begin something? So, in reply to the first question, some people said to the king that you should prepare a timetable and act accordingly very strictly. Others said that you should avoid foolish pleasures and always do whatever seemed necessary at that time. Other people said that the king needed a council of wise men, students, councilmen, a group of people chosen to give advice. And some others said that the king should go to magicians, because to know the right time for doing something, he has to know something in advance. In these were the answers of first questions. I repeat the first question and the answers given by the people. The first question was, what is the right time to begin something? And the answers given by the people were, the king should prepare a timetable. Some said that the king should form a council of wise men. Few others said the king should go to the magicians. Now come to the second question. In reply to the second question, students, again you have to recall the second question. The second question was, which people the king should listen to? So in reply to that, some said that the king should listen to his counselors. Students, counselors means members of council. Others said that the king should listen to the priests. Few others said he should listen to the doctors. Others said that he should listen to his soldiers. These were the answer in reply to the first question. Now, in reply to the third question, Here you have to recall the third question again. The third question was, what is the most important work for the king to do? So in reply to that, some said that science is the most important task. Others said the king should choose fighting and he should spread his kingdom. This is the only task. Others said religious work should be done for the welfare of the people. As the answers to his question were so different, the king was not satisfied and he decided to go to the hermit who lived in nearby village. So he went there. When he went to the hermit, he saw that the hermit was digging the ground. When the hermit saw the king, he greeted the king and continued digging. The king said to the hermit that I have come to you, the wise man, to get the answers of 3 questions, and I hope that you will answer. The hermit listened to the king, but he did not reply anything and kept on digging. After some time, the king said that you are tired. Let me do work in your place, and took up the spade. The hermit said thanks and he sat down on the ground. When the king had dug 2 beds, he stopped and repeated his questions. But the hermit gave no answer and stood up and said, give me the spade and you take rest. But the king did not give him the spade and continued to dig. 1 hour passed and it was about to sunset, and the king did not get the answer of his questions. At last, the hermit said that here comes someone running. The hermit and the king saw a person running towards them. Students, here ends the first part of the chapter. And students, here you see in comprehension check, there are few questions which you have to answer, and you would send it to the WhatsApp group, and if you have any queries, then you will write it to that. Thank you very much.